Hello and welcome to the theBTcloud. My name is Jason Yopal, Chief Architect and CEO. Let me share with you what we believe is the scope of business transformation and how to develop the necessary skills for you as a professional and within your organization. Business transformation is an enterprise capability. Performance of this capability is often measured by using some or all of these following parameters. Number one, number and value of improvement opportunities identified, time and cost to plan each opportunity, project efficiency often measured as a number of projects completed on time, on budget, to scope, and capability performance and enterprise value, and quality of information used to make decisions along the business transformation lifecycle. Business transformation professionals, however, on the other side, work within the organization to help realign these enterprise resources to enable new business outcomes. Discontinuities is a fundamental concept in business transformation. We need the skills to recognize when discontinuities occur in the industries and how to reinvent ourselves to pounce on the opportunities that these discontinuities present. For example, if you look at the picture above, General Motors and Hyundai. Hyundai recognized the discontinuities in automotive industry 25-30 years ago. Within the matter of 25 years, they are producing just as quality cars as General Motors are producing in 25 years later. That is being able to recognize discontinuities and realigning their resources and pouncing on the opportunities that these discontinuities present. In business transformation, capability has a very specific meaning. Capability is defined as ability to do something useful. And capability has three fundamental parameters. It includes processes, it includes people with the skills to execute those processes, and the necessary amount of technological automation that improves the process efficiency and the repeatability. And capability must have performance characteristics, which are often related back to the business outcomes. As I show you in this example, capability, performance, and business outcomes. In distribution industry, fill rate is a significant number. Fill rate of 67% means is that you are able to ship 67% of the ordered items. But if we improve our fill rate from 67 to 97%, our revenue will increase by $47 million, and profit margins will increase 15%. Hence, the capability performance of the fill rate is directly linked to business outcomes. Similar example of IT organization. IT organization with the business transformation maturity of 3, an initiative of a high complexity, this probability of 20% the ROI on the investment will be realized. But at the same time, if you improve your business transformation to maturity to level 5, and similarly complex project, your probability that ROI will be realized by 90%. So this is how you link the capabilities performance to business outcomes. And this creates a transparency and accountability throughout the organization. Having discussed the idea of S-curves, discontinuities, and capability, this slide shows simply what is the capabilities performance at the T0 and what will it be in the T final. And transformation is simply transitioning the capability from performing at the current level to some future target at which it has the required value. Let me direct your attention to how specific departments like strategy and IT and line of business teams interact with each other to create a business transformation capability in the organization. This map briefly described how the enterprise capabilities exist in the organization, how they're exploited, and how are they changed. If you look at the box in the middle, 4.2 and 4.3, these are the enterprise capabilities that exist in the organization. The operations staff leverages these capabilities to produce outputs. Now, as time goes on, the discontinuities in the industry occur. As a result of this discontinuities, and 4.1 process enables the organization to realign their enterprise capability through the processes, the definition of strategic intent and business strategy. As business strategy defines two things: what needs to change, what currently is good enough, and we need to continue to execute. The change strategy then identifies a set of capabilities that need to change and transition that change strategy to 4.4, in which phase the roadmap, how to transition those capabilities, is defined. This roadmap not only describes the ideal and pragmatic roadmap, but also has the business case. What will it cost to transition those capabilities? What would the value of transition capability? How much will be the impact on the organization? Process 4.5 is basically execute those initiatives defined to transition the capability. 4.6 is simply maintain over the long haul of how the capability is maintained. And those capabilities put back into the repository of the enterprise, in which they are continuously leveraged to produce the business outcomes. And this closed loop cycle continuously allows the organization to exploit the discontinuities and make the necessary changes. The one caution here is that we often have a tendency to optimize the IT capabilities with the line of business capabilities without linking back to the strategic intent of the organization strategy. That is often a sub-optimization. To help you truly understand the business transformation lifecycle, we developed the ebook, which you can be procured at ebook.qrs3e.com. This ebook is continuously changing, and we republish it every 3 months, and once you procure this license once, and you will continuously get new releases without having to procure additional license. It fundamentally relates how strategic intent, how the business transformation, how the strategic planning and portfolio management and enterprise architecture and IT and lines of business capabilities are continuously leveraged to produce the required outcomes. In theBTcloud, you will find 25 years of collective experience is how do you develop the business transformation capabilities in individuals and in organizations. It is rich with content. It helps you identify discontinuities in the industry. It helps you develop skills to develop enterprise architecture roadmaps. It helps you leverage the previously defined architectures, and it provides you step-by-step guidance. Is how do you do architecture for various scenarios. Business transformation is a competency at individual level and a capability at the enterprise level. The theBTcloud is a platform designed to help you develop both. Simply request an account today. Go to theBTcloud.com. We look forward to meeting with you and working with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.